In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pack furniture for Amazon 2025, step by step. Packing furniture the right way saves you money on shipping, reduces damage during transit, and keeps return rates low. Start by disassembling any piece that allows it. Shipping items fully assembled often increases costs and risk, so remove legs, shelves, drawers, and any detachable parts. Collect all screws, bolts, and small fittings into a sealed, clearly labeled plastic bag and tape that bag inside the main box so it can't get lost. If you prefer, you can also tape it to the underside of the main panel for quick access when it's time to reassemble. Next, wrap every component individually. Use bubble wrap, foam sheets, or packing paper to cushion each surface and add corner protectors where you can. Pay special attention to tabletops, glass panels, edges, corners, and metal legs. These areas take the most abuse in transit. And extra padding here prevents dents, chips, and cracks. Build in added protection for corners and edges with cardboard guards or foam edge protectors, and double up padding on any sharp corners. Corners are the first points to hit when a box shifts, so this layer matters. Choose a heavy-duty double-wall corrugated box that fits snugly around your wrapped parts. Avoid reused or weakened boxes. A box that's too big leaves empty space, and empty space means movement, which leads to damage. Before sealing, fill all remaining gaps. Air pillows, crumpled paper, foam inserts, or packing peanuts work well. The goal is simple. When you gently shake the box, nothing inside should move. Include the instruction manual inside the box. Keep the hardware in that sealed, labeled bag you prepared and position it where it's secure and easy to find on arrival. Now label the package properly. If you're using fulfillment by Amazon, print and apply the FNSKU label, make sure old barcodes are covered so they don't scan by mistake, and place the new label flat and easy to read. If the item is fragile, add fragile, this side up, and heavy item labels to guide handlers. Follow Amazon's FBA requirements where applicable. Keep each box at or under 50 pounds unless it contains a single heavy item. Seal with strong tape using the H-taping method across the seams and make sure there are no loose items inside. Then ship to the warehouse Amazon assigns to your shipment. Finally, perform a quick drop test. Lift the box 3 to 6 inches and let it fall gently. If you hear movement, add more padding. If the box flexes, reinforce it with extra cardboard. This quick check dramatically cuts down on damage and returns.